Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Firebase Studio for app development. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to firebase.google.com and click Get Started and go to Console and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside the Firebase console, click Create a Project. Here, enter your project name and click Continue and follow the setup steps. You can also disable the Google Analytics if you don't need it. Click Create Project. And after your project is ready, you'll see the dashboard. From here, you can add your app and choose the web, Android, or iOS depending on what you're building. Register your app by entering the app name and click Register App. Firebase will give you a configuration code. Copy this code and add it to your app project. Now you can start using the Firebase features like authentication, Firestore, database, real-time database, and hosting. Once everything is set up, connect the Firebase to your app. Run your project and you're now ready to build and test your app using the Firebase Studio tools. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.